Hello everybody, Peter here. Today we're doing another unboxing. So this is an EPSON projector, to be more exact this is the TW750, which is the bigger brother of the TW740. This unboxing is relevant for both models because they do not have any physical or packaging differences. There are some small differences, I'm gonna talk about them in the video, but no matter what projector you have, this video will show you what you need to know about how the product comes packed. So, this is the box, quite a simple box, normal cardboard, so nothing fancy. Quite unusual for me because this is a projector, so I would have expected a really colorful box. You know, when you buy cameras and projectors, they usually come in quite special boxes, but those pollute too much, and maybe Epson has done this choice in order to save some money and to save the environment, so thumbs up on them for that. This is how it looks from the front. So it's a picture of the projector, the Epson logo, the number. It says that it's dedicated for home projection, so this is not something really professional, but compared to what's on the market, all of those no-name projectors, this is a good one. And here it also says that it has HDMI and 3D LCD, whatever that means, because I'm not really sure what this technology does. We'll see that in the review. The other side, empty. I have took the scotch of the box, I don't want to spill everything out. In here there are some recommendations. It's similar on this side, so it's similar on all the sides, and in here some barcodes. I think there's the serial number, but I should not show that on camera actually. Now, if we open the box, what we will find, I think this is also a serial. Yep, here is a manual and also some serials, quick booklet to find stuff. In here, it was not closed, so in here, this has been a resealed product, so it came with batteries, but somebody returned it and I bought it because usually they work just fine. This is the remote that you have. Let's see if the batteries are inside. They're not, so somebody also removed the batteries, but it's not a problem. I do have AAA batteries, it looks like. Yeah. This is the power cable. So, normal power cable with the normal, I would say, PC plug, so 3-point connector. It looks like it's 1 meter or 1.5 meters long, so let me just untangle this and see how long it looks, because I do not see any writing on it. So, based on my height, I'd say 1.5 meters, 1.8 meters. I had to take it away from the camera so I could measure it against my body. In here, a different outlet as well, this time with the British plug. Quite an interesting thing that it comes with both European and British plug. Sorry if I got that off camera. So this was the first cable, this was the second cable. It looks the same size. So this might be imported, or I don't know if every model comes with both cables. And in here, the projector itself, let me get it out from the box and I'll put this aside. Let's push this box a little bit further. Some styrofoam to protect it. And this is the actual projector. It looks quite familiar, so nearly every Epson projector in this family of home projection looks the same. They have the same design. The only thing that changes is the characteristics of it. So if it's full HD or just QVGA or WVGA, stuff like that. On the front, here is something to protect the lens, so you can protect the lens, cap, In here you can make this bigger, and if you push this button you can make it smaller so you can get an angle on a table. Some feet. Here looks like something for the remote, so here's the Irf Receiver. In here I think it's an air intake or an air exhaust, because it has in here a filter. So I think this is the intake, and then it goes through the lamp to cool the lamp, and then that's the outtake. Let's put this one back. So as I said, intake, the buttons are here. Let me show them to you what they do. Some cautionary measurements. Here is some adjustments for the lens. So in here we can adjust the lens. Here there is a cap that we cannot open. I think you need to unscrew this in order to like change the lamp, or this is the point in which you start to unscrew. On the bottom, here are the legs. Let me see if I can just unscrew them to see what type of bolt they use. So this is the maximum, so you cannot take them out totally. And I do have a bracket here for mounting on the wall, so there's one bracket, point, 2, 3. I do not see the fourth, to be more exact. So maybe this mounts only in 3 screws. Or there's something that I should know in the manual. But we're gonna talk about that in the review. So that's about it for the unboxing. This is the projector, the TW750. Now I'm gonna also talk about the 740. So the only difference is that this can project closer to the screen. It has a different lens. They do not look differently if you look into the eye of the projector. It's just the fact that this can get closer. And the other difference for the 740 is the fact that it does not have VGA and the second HDMI. So the 740 only has one HDMI and that's it. The rest is the same projector. So the same quality of image. This says that it has 100 lumens more, so I think they just overload the lamp a little to project a little bit closer to the wall. But that's about it. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon. Bye!